I'll be showing you how to use the single take feature on your Samsung Galaxy S24 camera. So this feature is in the camera app. So just go to the camera app and then go to more, and then you should see single take. Now this takes different kinds of photos and videos on one take. Okay, so let's say you have a scenario, maybe this is a sports event going on and you want to take a picture of videos. You can actually go ahead and take most of those with single take. Okay, so before you press the shutter button, you can tap on this icon here in the top right corner and then choose what you want and what you don't want. So let's say you want the highlight videos, a slow-mo clip, a boomerang clip, filtered pictures, a collage, and a cropped shot in the same take. Okay, and that's what basically a single take is. A single take will take all this. Now let's say you want to remove for instance the highlight video, and you want to remove the boomerang clip and then remain with the slow-mo clip, filtered pictures, a collage, and cropped shots. So when you have those, and tap OK, and then take a single take like that, it's going to take about 10 seconds. That's because of the video mostly. And before it finishes, as it's going to finish, you can add. Okay, so let's go there and look at what we took. So we have that video, and then you can tap on this icon. So you should see single take. It took 4 items. So those 4 items are the image, and then you have the crop shot, and then you have the fast forward clip, and then you have the original video. Seconds. So all those were taken in one shot. Okay, so you can customize the single take exactly the way you want and remove and add the stuff you want and the stuff you don't want. Okay, thanks for watching. Comment and questions down below, and good luck.